This might have been one of the sad songs that I played that inspired people to tell me to write not so sad songs. So sorry everybody out there in radio land. The song also has a swear word in it, but Nate wrote the swear word on our set list and then crossed it off as a reminder not to say it. Heard it go down to the wire on Saturday night. Louise was crying in the dark, and the windmill stopped turning, the horse barn was burning, the sky met the ash and the spark. Once I realized I was a shepherd in disguise, Louise took hold of my hand, but the sun started sinking and the main line was shaking. She quickly let go again. Oh, and swing us safely across the water. Oh, and swing us safely across the water to be well again. And maybe I can breathe easy. Maybe I can breathe easy and build it again. Hey. Quiet, all lamb, wool and silence, like the ticking of a clock in the hall. And when the May winds come drifting through the window of our kitchen, Louise, I'll never know why I settle down. 'Cause sometimes it gets so quiet, my eyes so tired. You know I just can't stand the noise of my thoughts as they go drifting through the window of our kitchen to where I can be satisfied and swing us safely across the water. Oh, and swing us safely across the water to be well again. Oh, and maybe I can breathe easy. Maybe I can breathe easy and build it again. Yeah. Swing us safely across the water. Oh, and swing us safely across the water to be well again. Oh, and maybe I can breathe easy. Maybe I can breathe easy and build it again.